Strides for Hamilton Health Sciences is coming up a week from Saturday, and Darlene Bennett joins us now from Hamilton Health Sciences Foundation, along with emergency medicine specialist Dr. Alim Pardhan. Thank you both for joining us, because this is such an important event, and it's important to have it in person again.
Yeah, it's a great event. The last time we had it in person was 2019. It helps us raise money for equipment in the hospital, which is really important for us to be able to provide life-saving care to patients when they come into the Hamilton General.
Right, and this is, so it's coming up again a week from Saturday at Bayfront Park.
Yep.
Darlene, tell me about some of the things that are going to be happening that day.
Well, there'll be lots of fun activities. So it is a 5K walk, 5-kilometer walk, and it's also a 5-kilometer run. There's going to be people who are big active runners with chip timing, etc. And there's people who are just getting back into fitness and want to be involved. Lots of activities that day. We have a new sponsor this year. Presenting sponsor is Healthy Planet, and they'll be giving lots of treats and stuff with them as well. And one of our other great sponsors is First Ontario, and just so the sponsors are really supportive, and they bring lots of fun activities and swag.
Right,
Yeah.
but the whole thing is to bring funding, because everybody thinks, oh, the province funds everything for hospitals. Yeah. It does not. So Doctor, what kind of things are you looking for? What's on the wish list?
So I don't have the wish list yet, although we usually have a running list every year. But the province funds operations, so they fund staff and they fund clinical operations, but they don't fund new equipment. So if we're looking for new equipment for the hospital, so in previous years we've gotten an ultrasound machine, or we've gotten a rapid blood transfusion machine. Those are all things that have come from Strides, and none of that equipment is covered by the province.
Mm-hmm. And when we think of the emergency room crunches that we have and the hospital crunches that we have, that kind of equipment does play a big role in easing a bit of that crunch.
Absolutely, and it also does help because, as you probably know, or as your viewers probably know, the Hamilton General is also our regional center for trauma. We're the busiest trauma center outside of Toronto. Also for stroke and cardiac and vascular, all comes to the regional center at the Hamilton General.
Right, and the burn unit as well.
Correct.
Yeah. Right, and there's so much that happens there, so it's really integral. So there's still room, still time for people to become involved then.
Absolutely. Just go online. GoStrides.ca is the website that you want to go to. And if I may, we also support Regional Rehabilitation Center and St. Peter's Hospital. And Regional Rehab is obviously a rehab facility, and St. Peter's with complex continuing care. So if you have any affinity to any of these hospitals, or just want to get out and do some, have some fun, come and see us on September 17th.
Right, because I know the great work that you do there. You took great care of my dad after he was in a cycling accident many years ago. But it's just, I am so in awe of the care that he had at the General. So thank you to all of the staff there. So again, it's coming up Saturday, September 17th.
Yep.
That's right.
Okay. Registration time is
8:30 that morning, but just go online anytime to GoStrides.ca, and 8:30 to 9:15 is when we're taking people in that morning.
okay. Great, and there's lots of time, of course, to sponsor somebody online if you can't do it as well.
Yeah.
So okay.